Alright, go on the big bikes. So we are at my uncle's joint in Ballarat. We go for a cruise in the Creswick Forest. So we got William here on the WR, as usual. The 250 that's technically a 290 that no one knows whether it is a 290, but it goes pretty well, so it must be a 290. Me on the old girl again. Doesn't help when you forget to do your chin strap up. Let's resume. Oh, the road's broken away there.
So we're out here, what temps like 10 degrees, probably less, 8 degrees. So here we have Ben's bike who's behind the camera when he turns around that way. This is an XR400 2003. Hasn't got much, he's just had to debung the muffler. That's about it. Yeah, it's pretty stock otherwise. And up here we have my bike, which is a 2007 WR 250F. It's had a big bore 290 put in it, or 290 kit. It's pretty low geared, it tops out, I don't know, like 120 and it's screaming its tits off. But that's alright. The gearing does it for the bush.
Big ass tree. Basically that tree. Hey? Basically this tree. Did I ride that? Pretty sure Jacob and I rode that. Stick to the right, it should be. Stick to the right, you should be right. It does look it, but I don't remember that it being that bad. Have a crack?
You go.
You're only gonna fall off. Damn it. Wish I'd have filmed it. What'd you do? Yeah. Get it up because you're losing fuel. when you eat shit or when you fuck up. Well, in this case, that was me, but it's nowhere near as spectacular as that. If I got the front wheel up and over, it would have been alright. Again, you guessed it, I stacked it. I've really got to stop making a regular thing of this. Yeah, so you can see just in front of you, about a metre or two in front of you across on that edge, that's where the bike come straight across. I was from here, I don't know, my feet were, I don't know, I had my feet off the pegs and everything.